Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So anyone who watches my channel regularly knows that I've done quite a few videos on the Longchamp Le Pliage collection, different pieces from that line. So you can see that I am quite a huge fan of their Le Pliage, especially the original line. So today's video is going to be about my newest Le Pliage addition to my collection, and that is my Le Pliage Original Pouch with handle. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, just sit back, relax, watch the video. You'll see by the end of the video what it is I'm referring to, and I hope you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get started. So I was in the mood lately to add a new Le Pliage piece to my collection. I didn't really know what exactly I wanted to add. I just knew it was time for another Le Pliage piece. So, but I thought it was a good idea just to go with something, deviate a little bit and go with something I don't already have, an item or piece I don't already have in my collection. So I decided to go for the Le Pliage Original Pouch with handle. So I set out to find something not too small, but not too big either. I wanted something carefree, something compact that I could use to carry my belongings without having to take my whole handbag out to run errands. Maybe something that could fit maybe a wallet, my keys, and the lip gloss. So that's what I did, and that's what I found in the Le Pliage pouch. So before I continue talking about this, let's just open and unbox it so you guys can see exactly what I'm referring to. So obviously it comes in a box just like this. Now let's open. And ta-da! The Le Pliage Original Pouch with handle. And yes, it's with handle because it only has one handle, as you can see, and not two. So it's with handle and not with handles. I absolutely adore this bag. It's exactly what I was looking for. It kind of is like a mini bag, but it does fit a lot. I will show you in just a few moments. But it can actually also double as a cosmetic pouch or as a catch-all. I can just throw in my handbag that carries all my essentials, my small essentials. So this bag is multifunctional basically, and I know I will get a lot of use of it. It's the perfect like just running errands, grab and go type of little pouch. So it is bigger than most mini bags, if you will. If you guys want the measurements, they will be in the description box, but it does measure 17 centimeters by 11 by 5.5. So it is fairly spacious for mini bag standards. I'm gonna show you that it does just fit my pure essentials, and I can leave out the door with this and have everything I need for the day. So basically I wanted something that obviously can fit my phone, and as you can see, my phone easily fits inside. My wallet, yes, no, you can't really fit a full-size wallet in the pouch, but a card holder or a mini wallet just like this can easily be done. We have car keys that do also fit, and just a lip gloss to freshen up throughout the day. Now let's just close the bag, just like this. And there you have it. Everything fits for the day, and you're just good to go. If you don't need your lip gloss, well, that you can remove whatever items I did put in that you don't really need to run your errands. Let's say if you're walking to wherever your errand is, you don't need your keys, maybe just your house key, however, but you don't need a full set of keys, so that's perfect. Phones and wallets are usually essentials, so you can't really switch those out unless you just want to put in a credit card. That works too. So the material isn't that same canvas we're always used to with the Le Pliage collection. It does have some leather cowhide accents, so like the Le Pliage bags, the tips are in leather, the handle and the little flap. There's gold hardware on the bag, basically just the snap closure as well as the zipper pull are your classic Longchamp gold with your same kind of symbols. The color is like a caramel, beigey, little bit green kind of color, but it looks very nice against the brown of the leather accents and the gold. It just ties in well together, and it's kind of just like a perfect neutral. And because it kind of does have brown, and it is kind of a darker beige, it's not really white, I feel like you can wear it in winter and in summertime. It looks great in both seasons depending on the colors you're wearing, so that's not an issue nor a problem. It does have a zipper closure, as you can see, as well as a button closure. There are no pockets on the inside. It's basically just a little pouch. So the price for one of these is 85 USD. It is cheaper than the rest of their Pliage items, but that's normal. It's kind of the smallest and simplest piece. And like I've mentioned in most of my videos, which you can watch if you're interested. I will put the link up here and in my description box for those videos. The Le Pliage collection is very durable. You do have to watch out for the corners, but honestly, all in all, they're durable bags and they're very easy to clean. So if they do get stained, my trick, like I've mentioned, is I always cover them in Scotch Guard. If they do get dirty, even though you did Scotch Guard it, well, a little bit of soap and water does the trick and it comes right off. Don't wait too long. Do it as soon as you see the kind of spot or mark, and it'll always look new. So that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was a short and sweet video today. Leave all your comments and questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.